Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use all your RAM memory in Windows 11. Left click here and type run. Left click here, left click here and type ms config. Left click here, okay. Left click here on boot section. Left click here, advanced options. And here, if you check this, you will see all of memory RAM memory recognized by Windows 11. For me is this. For you, how much you have. After you do this, left click OK, left click apply, left click OK here, and here must be restart Windows because after restart we'll see your modification. Thanks for watching.